So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy liquid staked Ethereum, ticker symbol LSETH on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right, press buy crypto. Then in the search bar right here, type in LSETH for liquid staked Ethereum. Then go ahead and press on that. On this page right here is going to go ahead and type in the amount. So for example, it's not working for me for some reason, but if you were to press $20 right here or whatever, then go to the purple arrow right here on the right and press that. Now on the next page is where you're going to be able to confirm your transaction by viewing the information and then pressing confirm if you want to do that. So I apologize that it's not working for me right now. That's a little strange how it's not working. But regardless, you guys get the point. That is how you guys can buy liquid staked Ethereum, ticker symbol LSETH here on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.